Hi everyone, Amy here with amyswares, and today I have the May release for 2026 from A Colorful Life Designs to share with you. I'm so excited. So I'm going to jump right in. Now I have some black cardstock, so I know it makes it easier to see, and then I also have a US A2 size 4 1/4 inch by 5.5 card base, so you can get an idea of the sizing. Now when you order, it'll likely come in a manila folder like this. You'll get some sample blingage, which is amazing. We love sample blingage. And then all the stencils will be in here. Sometimes when there's little pieces, parts, or masking layers, then she'll put them in little cellophane envelopes, but otherwise she's trying to deliberately cut down on plastic waste. So it'll just come in a folder like that. Okay, so let's jump right in. Looking at the different sizes here. Looks like we have a couple, oh actually, looks like they might all be, yeah, they're all 6 by 6 size, and we definitely have a theme here. Okay, so this one is called Thank You Bows. So I think it's so fun when she does stencils that have the sentiment built in, because if you're strapped for time, or you don't have a lot of stamps, or if you're just getting started out, this is a great way to kind of create a background with a sentiment right in it, so that you don't have to worry about that extra step. So this is 6 by 6 inches. Thank You Bows. Okay. Ooh, this one I love. Okay, this one is called Flower Rays. Absolutely love this. This is definitely a design I would be drawn to. You could even make this, like you could even draw stems in there and make it look like flowers. Super fun. Love that. Flowers on a stem, I mean, obviously it's already flowers. Okay, this one's Circles and Diamonds. Okay, so these are little openings, so this will make a fun subtle background. Or you could do it in bold, bright colors and use it as, you know, a more in-your-face background. I could see this, like, when I see things like this, I think like monochromatic, like a bold monochromatic color and then like a bold, large die-cut sentiment or something like that. Okay, this one is Dotted Love. How cute is that? This, I feel like you could shift or rotate it, do all different colors, and create like a really heart-filled background. Super fun. Okay, this one's Starry Waves. That's cool. I like the movement within it. Very fun. Starry Waves. Okay, we got another one here with a built-in sentiment. This one I'm going to show you on the card so you can get a perspective. See, it'll fit nicely as a nice big focal point. Actually, the whole thing fits. You can see it fits right within the front. So you got these adorable presents. You can use one or the other or both. Very fun. Super cute. This is called Birthday Gifts. Okay, this one is Floating Balloons. So cute. So look, all of these also fit right on the card front. So you could do all of them or just mask off, do some of them. Maybe you want to leave this open and do a sentiment here and then just do this little cluster. Super fun. Or you could take little stamps or little sentiments and stamp your sentiment on each balloon. Super cute. I love that. Okay, this one. Oh, look at these. Okay. Presents for everybody. So you have a congratulations, a happy birthday, and then these fun little balloons and hearts. Super cute. So they're a present shape, and then they have the sentiment right in them. I love that. Presents for everybody. Okay, this one, bows. Super cute. You could just do a very subtle, obviously you could add this onto a different design, or you could just do a very subtle, classy, maybe do this with like on a black card base like this, and then do maybe like a metallic ink or a metallic paste, and it would just be really classy, subtle, shiny. Fun idea for that. Bows. Okay, and then we have Big Bow. Okay, again, I'll show you this way. It fits nicely. This would be a perfect composition here. You have this bow, and then you could put like a little sentiment right there. Big Bow. Oh, this one's fun. Bake Me a Cake. Nice. Love it. Let's show you size on this. Yep, again, fits perfectly. You can see, fits right on an A2 size card front. And we have some more cakes. We have Layered Celebration Cake. Oh, okay. So you would shift it. This is so cool. I didn't even realize this. Okay, so you would have this for one layer, and then you would shift it over. So you could easily do, so here would be the flames for the candles. So you just lay, you know, do whatever colors you wanted on this and then shift it over and do the other bit. So smart. I love when she does stencils like this. Layered celebration cake. So cute. Okay, and then this one, star streamers. How cute is that? I love that. Okay, and then confetti ball. I'll show you this on the A2 size. So confetti. This could also be like, if you were to do an ice cream cake, you could make this look like little jimmies or sprinkles. Super colorful background. So it could be confetti or sprinkles. Depending on where you are, will determine whether you call it jimmies or sprinkles. I've always called it sprinkles, but one of my best friends is from Jersey and they call it jimmies. So let me know in the comments. Let me know what you call it. Jimmies, sprinkles, something else? Okay, and then this final one, cheers. Look how cute that is. Can't you just see that in rainbow? Rainbow cheers. I love it. Okay, so again, you can mask off, or maybe you do like all gray and then have like one super bold so it stands out amongst the rest. I like to do that sometimes, but that is the release for May. How fun is that? So there's something for everybody. They're all 6x6. There will be different Master Creator bundles available where you can get groupings at a bigger discount. You can't use my coupon with those, but you can use my coupon for everything else, AmyFan10. Be sure to use that at checkout and save on your order. And if you are on Facebook, be sure to join us in our fan group. All of us on the design team will post our creations in there. Loads of inspiration. It's a good place to pick up coupon codes for the designers that inspire you. And it's just a great way to connect with us and share your work. We love to see what you guys make with the stencils too. So be sure to check that out and join the group if you aren't in it already. There's just a couple security questions so we can make sure you aren't a spammer. But we would love to see you there. And if you enjoyed this, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I will catch you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.